If your gaming setup looks like this, you're in for a treat. Why do 90% of budget gamers settle for less? We've got the ultimate $1,000 PC build that's gonna rock your world. Alright budget ballers, let's kick things off with our CPU, the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X3D. This beast packs incredible gaming performance thanks to its 3D V-Cache technology, and for just $210, it's a steal. Next up, the GPU. For 1080p gaming, the AMD Radeon RX 7600 is fantastic, but if you can stretch your budget, the NVIDIA RTX 4060 Ti at around $374 is the way to go. It crushes 1080p ultra settings at 101.7 FPS and even handles 1440p like a champ. Storage? We've got you covered with the Team MP44L 1TB SSD. Fast Gen 4 speeds at only $65 ensure quick load times and smooth performance. Moving on to RAM, grab 32GB of DDR4 at 3600 MHz for just $50. Perfect for multitasking and gaming in 2025. For the motherboard, we're going with the ASUS Prime B650MA. Priced at $129, it supports DDR5 and PCIe 5.0, keeping you future-proof. Lastly, don't forget a reliable PSU compatible with Indian standards. Stability and longevity are key, and that's it. A powerful future-proof gaming PC under $1,000 in 2025. Get ready to dominate 1080p and 1440p gaming. Game on!